About a month ago, we started studying life cycles, and we were lucky enough to partner with 4-H, and CJ's gonna tell you a little bit about how it got started.
So we got our ducks, and they had to stay in the incubator for about 28 days. And then one more day to stay in the incubator, then they went in here.
They hatched last week, and it was really cool seeing them hatch. And they had like teeny holes into big holes, and then they opened up their egg and they hatched.
So this is Daffy. He was the first one born. You could tell it's Daffy because he has like black right under his eyes. This is Taylor. She's a fast runner. She likes to bite Miss Vess's ring. This is Cheese and Quackers. I could tell because he has a short neck and his neck still looks long and wet. This is Messi, the official soccer player.
Let's go to the other store.
I know, they're gonna all get together.
We started off with 12 eggs in an incubator from Henrico 4-H, and now we have 6 ducks. They have a little pond that they can play in and food and water inside their bin.
I'm used to it.
Oh my goodness.
We're so sweet.
They like to play in their little pond, and they have like a heat lamp to keep them warm when they're in their bin.
The ducks' names are Chicoletta, Wiggles, James Pond, Quackers, McNugget, and Dixie.
Hi, James. Oh, James Pond, you're shy. What are you doing?
Chicoletta actually hatched during the Mathis-a-well. So when they were still eggs, we like candled them with like a light on their incubator so we could see how they were developing inside their eggs. We made, the class made notes about them so we could like track if they were like good from one candling to another.
I really liked watching them hatch, and
Yeah, I like to watch them playing in their pool and like sleeping under the light. They're really cute.
Doing that helps a little. I think doing that helps a lot.